Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video. And I think this is like take number 4 for this particular video. I am having a mare, but let's sort of rock on through this one. We're going to continue the, I guess, the series of me looking through all the different ecosystems and pulling out the projects from each ecosystem that I think is going to do really, really well. Today's video, we're looking at the Polkadot ecosystem, and I'm pulling out projects that I think are going to do well that are, on the Polkadot ecosystem. So some of these projects are going to be really early, entry. Some have been around for a while, and some we've even invested in the previous market, but we do still like the look of them. If you enjoy this sort of content, mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and check out the previous ecosystem projects that we've looked at, being Cardano and Algorand. There's some really good projects on both of those ecosystems that are worth looking at, and super early as well. So definitely worth checking out some of those projects to do research on. They are awesome. None of this is paid or endorsed. We don't do paid promotions or shills here at Cheeky Crypto. We have a transparency report that basically is everything that we have affiliates with, any companies we have affiliates with, and channel sponsors and all that sort of stuff. So you can check that out in the Discord under frequently asked questions. We are so proud to be one of those channels that is really transparent with our community, and we just don't do that, right? So no money's parted ways between us or any of these projects. These projects don't know we're doing this video. This is just Nick and myself are away, and we want to look at the projects that we think could do really well on each of the ecosystems. So yeah, mash that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and let's get down to the desktop for the third time. Okay, so for the third time for me, first time for you, the first one is Moonbeam, and this was a project I called out really early and didn't invest in it because you can't invest in everything, but I did call it out for people to go away and do research. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. Treat this as educational purposes only. Go and FOMO into the research, not the project that I'm talking about. So I think this one's going to do really well. Expand to new chains powered by Moonbeam, an Ethereum capable smart contract parachain on Polkadot. Really solid project, this one. I feel I really do like it. So yeah, look, go take a look at it, go do the research. Only concerns I have is around bridging and that sort of stuff, but definitely go take a look at this project. Let's move on. Anchor. So Anchor, we were in Anchor in the previous bear market, bull market. Made some tremendous gains on this one. I really do like the project. Still think that it's going to do really well. Web3 infrastructure is something that you're going to see as a use case is much needed going from Web 2 to Web 3. So look, I think this is a fantastic project, and there's another Web3 infrastructure project that I really like on the Polkadot ecosystem also. But this one we did really well. We do really like it, and yeah, it's a great project to go look at and do some research on, so go check it out. Okay, moving on, and we've got Ontology, Trust Redefined, bringing trust, privacy, and security to Web3 through decentralized identity and data solutions. Again, I really do like this project and what they're looking to do. So go take a look at it. Like I say, we're picking out the projects that we think are going to do really well. It isn't really a video where I'm going to go through what they do in great lengths of detail. I do a lot of project reviews for our Patreon members, so check out our Patreon membership if that is of interest to yourselves. I haven't actually reviewed this particular project, but I do have over 230 project reviews and ratings for you to go take a look at if that is of interest, where we deep dive much more detail into the project. So yeah, check that out if that is of interest. Moving on, and we've got Ocean, and again, this is a project that I have talked about a few times. Next generation tools to unlock data and at large scale. Can't get my words out. So definitely one to go dig into. Again, another project that I really do like. Now, what I would say is there's, one of the things that I have noticed looking at the different ecosystems is some of these, well, all of these ecosystems have kind of different like utility projects building on them, which is really unique. Like looking at Algorand, there's lots of investing through crypto in different markets. I think that's really, really cool. You know, with Cardano, you've got like identity, you've got projects, you know, for banking the unbanked and connecting the unconnected and so forth, and it's very interesting. You know, there's a lot of Web3 projects building on the Polkadot ecosystem, so yeah, definitely worth checking out different ecosystems for sure. Okay, and then we've got this project here. I really do like this project. Definitely worth checking it out. Again, another Web3 privacy kind of project. So I think it's definitely worth checking it out. Low latency, high performance, data, confidentiality, a project that I think is worth digging into. You know, again, this is one that we have talked about in the past and think we do think it'll do really well. Moving on, and we got PASIC. I think that's how, or PASIC's how you kind of say this one. Again, this is, you know, a an infrastructure kind of project. Again, I think this is a fantastic project for you know, Web3 and all that sort of stuff. I do think that this is a project that is a potential hidden gem. Again, I've called this one out in the bull market and we saw some good gains. I've called it out in the bear market because I do think that this one has some real potential. But don't take my word for it. Go and do some research on it, and I'm sure you're gonna, you know, find out whether it resonates for you or not. But definitely check it out. Moving on, and we've got Edgeware. Now, I think this is again another really cool project. A DAO first smart contract platform for managing funding and building decentralized communities. And I think we're going to see this more and more. So again, I really do like this project, and I think that it's one that people should go away, do some research on and see whether it resonates with them. Again, like, you know, these projects are, you know, relatively early in the grand scheme of things, but I do think there's a lot of Web3 projects here and data management projects that, you know, are worth investing time in doing the research. But, you know, these are the projects that I picked out on the Polkadot ecosystem that really do resonate with myself and I think might do really well in the next bull run. Let me know your thoughts, your opinions in the comments below. And if you enjoyed today's video, mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.